Naririnig nyo yan, guys. Tapos ng ulan. Grabe, guys. Lakas ng ulan sa labas, oh. Oh. Lakas ng ulan, guys. Kanina pang madaling araw to. Kaya walang pasok yung mga bata. Medyo tumumba na yung talong ko. Nagbubunga pa yung mga yan, guys. Marami pa rin kaming na-harvest dyan. Kaya hindi ko muna siya tinatanggal. Mas ng ulan. Ang ganda. Mga okra, guys. Okra. Try namin maglakad dito, baka maraming aso. Kasi kanina dumaan din kami dito ni Atasha, may aso. May mga aso sila, guys. Galing kami ng school at wala silang pasok ngayon. Speech lang si Atasha for the aral program. Congratulations, anak. Congratulations. Diba? Baka may aso dito. Ito, baka may aso, guys. Yan natin. Natatakot lang kami dito, guys, kasi marami silang aso dito. Pero mas gusto ko sanang naglalakad kami ni Atasha dito. Kasi mas malapit talaga kami dito. Saka mas okay maglakad ba. Yan sa Atasha. May binili siya. Ano yung binili mo? Mikako. Mikako yung binili niya.
Masarap yun.
57 pesos isa. Hinintay ko na lang siya sa school kasi wala pala silang pasok ngayon. Hanggang 8 lang sila. Nanood ko lang siyang nag-stitch.
Wala si ma'am.
Wala si ma'am. Wala si ma'am niya. Ayun ko to, mais. Nagtitinda ng mais. Titinda siya ng mais. Titinda yan ng mais. Dahil hindi ko pa na-try bumili dyan. It's Friday.
Friday.
Friday. Friday daw, sabi niya. Friday, today is Friday. And pwedeng mag-cellphone si Atasha today kasi Friday.
Gusto mo? Masarap.
Masarap. Harap nga. Ay, binatog. May pusa. Kaya ang cute ng pusa. Cute ng kulay niya. Yan yung binatog.
Naku, nice ko yung pusa na yan.
Ha?
Naku, nice ko yung pusa na yan.
Kain tayong pansit, guys. Yun ako kakain kay Atasha. Atin si Atasha dun. Katatapos lang niya din kumain ng pansit. Ayan, yung labas namin. Init sa init. Ayan. Tahimik dito sa amin. Sa Atasha nagsi-cellphone. Ayan tayo, guys. Pansit. Pansit bihon na may ewan ko anong ito. Nilagyan ko to ng yung siling may kangkong. Yan yung mga kangkong, guys. Sarap niya. Kain tayo, kain tayo. Dumating yung order ko para dun sa sa binili ni Papa na electric fan, Diesel Life. At bumili ako ng kanyang cover para hindi siya madumihan kasi white yung pinili ko para hindi siya madumihan. Diesel Life. Ito yung sa amin. Tapos iba yung kay ate. Diesel Life din yung kay ate. Pero mas maganda yun. At mas matagal yung life ng battery niya. At ito yung kay Atasha. Napigtas daw. Yung ano niya dito. Napigtas niya. Kakabitan ko siya mamaya. Okay.
Project Aral Program. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teachers, parents, and fellow students. My name is Rasha Ramil A. Bunao, and I am a grade 5 student. I'm here today to share with the Project Aral program. I have witnessed firsthand the positive and incredible impact it has had. Before Project Aral, I struggled with reading, particularly in Filipino or Tagalog. I lacked confidence, often stumbled over words, and did not always fully understand what I was reading. I was also worried about my progress. Then I began to read more books, just like we do in Project Aral. Right from the start, I noticed a positive difference. I went from lacking confidence to much more confident. I improved in my reading skills, started pronouncing words more fluently, and was able to answer comprehension questions more easily. Our teachers were patient and encouraging, making me look forward to each session. Now, I am a confident and engaged reader. I'm also doing better in my other subjects. Project Aral has not just improved my reading skills, it has also helped me communicate more effectively and given me a new perspective on learning. I wholeheartedly recommend the Aral program to my fellow students. I believe it can help us all improve our reading skills and become more confident learners every day and every way. To all my classmates and fellow students, good luck to all of us, and I thank you.